How to fix Microsoft account sign-in error. Please retry with a different device or use a VPN. Now, the error message is actually stating that you have already logged in into your Microsoft account to a different device or into a different country or region. Now, you could actually use any reliable VPN out there, depending on your preference, but here are the specific troubleshooting steps that you can do first before you can use them. Now, just simply clear cache data cookies from the browser that you're using by going into these three dots, settings, and then from here, go to privacy and security, choose on delete browsing data, and make sure to tick all these three boxes from here, change the time range into all time, and then just simply click on delete data. But before clicking it, make sure that you fully memorize all your login credentials from different sites that you've accessed using the current browser, because it will automatically be log you out after clicking on delete data. And that's a troubleshooting step that I've provided you for you to fix Microsoft account sign-in error. Please retry with a different device or use a VPN.